Hello, this is Doris from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Machinery. Today, I wanted to introduce our lifting vacuum emulsifier. The capacity of this machine is 300 liters. It uses steam heating, and it has 3 layers, 2 jackets. The contact layer is stainless steel 316. It can produce the cosmetic, lotion, cream, paste, even the toothpaste. Now, let's come close. And this is our stair and platform. It is made of the stainless steel 304. It is waterproof, oil-proof. It can prevent the people from slipping. And this is our water phase pot, and this is the oil phase pot. And this is the dispersing mixer of the water phase pot. The speed of this mixer is 960 RPM. Can you see the baffle here? Because when start mixing, the liquid, the material will form a vortex due to the centrifugal force. So we add this baffle to stop the vortex, so it can make the mixing effect better. And this is the steam inlet. Connect with the steam pipe. And at the bottom, is the water inlet, and this is the steam outlet. And this one is our temperature probe. It can detect the temperature inside the oil phase pot and water phase pot. And this is our button control panel. The voltage, current, the speed adjustment of the center mixer, side helical ribbon mixer. And this is the temperature controller of the oil phase pot, water phase pot, and the main pot. And this is the adjustment of the homogenizer. And this is the timer of the homogenizer. You can set the working time of the homogenizer. And this is the main power switch. And this is the lightning, the oil pot missing, water pot missing, main pot missing, the center missing, side helical ribbon missing, homogenizing missing. This is the vacuum pump, hydraulic lifting up, hydraulic lifting down. And this is the emergency stop. When the machine has problem, you can press this button to stop working. And let me show you the component of our control panel. As you can see, we use the ABB, the Switzerland brand of the frequency converter. And this is our electrical component. It's very naughty. Our hydraulic lifting system is very solid, very strong. And this is the vacuum pressure gauge. It can set and display the vacuum pressure gauge inside the tank. And this is the side glass. You can observe the working situation inside the pot through this device. You can also open it when you finish mixing. And this is the material inlet. You can connect with your pipe to transfer your material through this device. And this is our spice bucket. You can add some small fragrance, some small material detected through this device. This is our air release. When you finish productions, you need to open this air release to release the air, to balance the air inside the pore and the outer environment for discharging. And this is the SIP clean spray ball. You need to connect with your tap water to give the water for cleaning. And this is the lamp for better observation. And this is our homogenizer. This one is the customization one because this pipe is the internal and external circulation pipe. The bottom material will be sucked into this pipe by the strong force of the homogenizer. More and more materials will be accumulated in this and squeeze each other, and then it will return all the material. It will return to the pot for the next round of the mixing and emulsifying. So no matter the material is at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom, so all the material can be fully mixing and emulsions. And before we use the internal and external circulation of the homogenizing, we need to close this because this one is for discharging. Close this and open this one and then this one. Just let the material go out and return to the main pot. We need to close this one. If you finish your product, you need to close this pipe and open this one for discharging. Connect with your pipe to transfer the finished product to your storage can. And this is the steam inlet. You need to connect with your steam pipe to let the steam in. And the steam outlet is on the bottom of this pot. You can see. This is our mixer, the center mixer with the side helical ribbon mixer. And this is our Teflon scraper. The material is mixed by the center mixer, and then some material will be dispersed to the surrounding of the pot, even the wall of the pot. So, and then the helical ribbon mixer will scrape the material down to the middle, to the bottom, and then so no matter the material is in the middle or at the surrounding of the pot, all the material can be fully mixed and emulsified. And this is our SIP clean spray ball. It can 360 degree rotate to clean the machines. And this is our lightning, the lamp, for better observation of the working situation inside. Before we using the internal and external circulation of the homogenizer, one, we need to make sure there is enough material inside the pot. The material has at least 2/3 of the main pot. Another way is slow down the speed of the homogenizer, because when the homogenizer is running very fast, it will form a vortex inside the pot. the liquid level in the center will be dropped down and the outer layer will be white. So there is less material in the center, so it is hard for the internal and external circulation because it is not enough the material inside the center, so it will have less material will be sucked into the circulation pipe. So you have better to slow down the speed of the homogenizer to avoid forming a vortex. Let me show you how to use the internal and external circulation of the homogenizer. Before we use it, we need to open the two valves here. One is this one is the valve of the circulation pipe. Open it. And start the homogenizer. As you can see, the material will be sucked into the circulation pipe by the strong force of the homogenizer. It will return all the material will through the circulation pipe enter the main pores again for next round of mixing and emulsion. As you can see, if the speed of the homogenizer is very fast, it will form a vortex like this. So it has better to slow down the speed of the homogenizer. So we need to tighten the screw of the side glass. And then we need to open this valve, and press the vacuum on. And then we need to close this immediately to make the pressure gauge inside stable. And this is the total introduction of our 300 lifting vacuum emulsifier. If you want to buy our machine, you can contact us and we will make plan and customization for you. Bye bye.